Best Portable Blender Bottle Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular personal blenders in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this electric blender bottle so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this USB blender. The one that made our list is the Daiwan House Portable Blender. This blender is cordless, rechargeable via USB, and you can bring it along anywhere to make fruit smoothies, shakes, marinades, and more. It has an intelligent one-touch operation design. Just press and hold the single button once and you'll be whipping up blends in no time. The blades are made from high-quality stainless steel, while the built-in motor runs at a powerful 15 to 25,000 revolutions per minute, strong enough to pulverize fruits and vegetables into amazing smoothies effortlessly. The built-in lithium battery recharges easily when you plug it into any USB port. The juice cup itself is made from food-grade high borosilicate glass, and when you get this personal blender, you get a set of eco-friendly reusable metal straws for free. To check out the full specs of the Daiwan House Portable Blender and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestblenderbottle. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use this personal blender. So there you have it, the Daiwan House Portable Blender. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the blender, and the overall functionality, we feel that this portable blender is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Daiwan House Portable Blender and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestblenderbottle. Alright, thank you for watching.